I'm Joe.
And we're Jen and Joe on the go.
Oh my gosh, Jennifer, look where we are finally. Holy cow. Where are we? What are we doing?
So we're at the Candy Cane Inn in Anaheim, California, which is a 5-minute walk to Disneyland, and we're going to give you a room tour.
Yes.
So this is where we're staying for the next 2 nights.
Yes, it's quite lovely. We've been in it already.
Yeah.
All right, Jennifer, we are here at the Candy Cane Inn.
Yes.
What's interesting is what's behind you back there in the distance.
So that's Cars Land. That's how close we are to California Adventure.
Yeah.
But it was literally a 5-minute walk to Disneyland in downtown Disney.
Yeah, so
It's 5 minutes.
Well, we're not going to be able to see the street from here, but Candy Cane Inn is right on Harbor Boulevard.
Yeah.
Harbor Boulevard, and you just go that way and right to the left, and you're right there at Disneyland.
Yeah.
So it's pretty cool. But okay, so we are.
Wait, I want to
yes.
shout out Anaheim Park Tourist. They are a YouTube channel, and they do awesome reviews of all of the hotels within walking distance of Disneyland. They stay at them, they review them, they show you how long the walk is, and they were exact. The rooms have been renovated here. They are beautiful. The walk was 5 minutes. They were spot on. Check out their channel.
What is it again?
I think it's Anaheim Park Tourist.
Okay, Anaheim
We'll
Park
double
Tourist.
check it, and we'll link it in the description below.
All right, so here you go.
They're a wealth of information.
We are room 215 this evening. Here we go. Here's the key. And let's see if it works. We know it works because we've already been in here.
We have.
Oh, hold on. Hold on.
Can we see them? Can we see them?
Yes, we can.
The bugs aren't coming in.
Well, close the door.
Here, go.
Well,
Whoa.
so this here that you see in front of the fireworks is Guardians of the Galaxy. It used to be Twilight Zone Tower of Terror. So that was absolutely an unexpected pleasure.
Yeah.
Was not expecting that at all. They're still kind of going off a little bit, but
There
we're
is
gonna.
probably a 20-minute show like
Yeah.
at Disney World.
Right.
We're
So
just
we're gonna.
so tired.
Yes, we're gonna give our room tour.
Okay,
So
let's do
here
our
we go.
room
Let's
tour.
try this again.
Hurry, close the door so the bugs don't.
Hurry, hurry, hurry.
And you have to put our do not disturb sign on our door.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So this is a hotel motel type of layout where you walk in from the outside. Candy Cane Inn. It was newly refurbished. I think within the last year or two-ish. I know it was done since COVID. So you have a nice little sitting area, a little table / drawer area. Whoa! Let me take off my shoes. My feet are hurting. Okay.
Please, Mr. Rogers, take off your shoes, put on your sweater, and
Okay.
show us around.
Okay. So you have a nice little chair. You have a little place to put your luggage or your bags with 2 nice sized pull-out drawers, your big TV, a little desk area. Let's see if there's anything in the door. No. Garbage can. What's in here? Got a cute little closet with your, oh, I can appreciate this. Not 1, but 2 luggage racks.
Ooh.
That is awesome. I wish every hotel did this, and the only other hotel that did this was the Hilton in Disney Springs.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, that's right.
And you've got extra blanket, pillow, ironing board, iron safe. This is a big, especially when you've got 2 big suitcases to not put them on the floor. That's
Yeah.
a plus for me. Your mirror so you can do your fits and your outfits of the day.
The beds look nice and comfy.
Did you see that?
No.
You've got your full-length mirror so you can do your fits and OOTDs. Okay?
Okay.
You've got nice counter space, sink. Great, I can pluck my eyebrows. You've got your little fridge. Plenty of towels. You've got some, let's see, it's green natural moisturizer. A shower cap that I'm going to bring to wear when we go on Pirates, because I heard you do get a little wetter, and I'm not about getting my hair wet. I'm going to wear this. Shout out to Carrie Stone.
Yeah, but she did that on Splash Mountain.
It's still
Where you
a
get
water
splashed.
ride. It's still a water ride.
Check that out.
That's amazing.
Candy Cane Motel, Anaheim, California.
And-
So I guess this has been here for a while. Interesting.
And then in here, you've got nothing special, but it's clean. You've got your toilet,
It's got a nice
and
big
you've got a
flower.
nice shower area.
Got a nice big flower.
I wish it had a rug.
It's right
but
there.
There's the bath mat.
Yeah.
So, yeah. It's clean. It serves a purpose.
Yeah, it's
They
really
gave
not
us
bad.
rooms next to each other.
Yeah.
So our room is next to Ashley's, and they had asked us if we'd like rooms near each other, and I said that would be great. So the fact that we're next door to each other is really cool.
Yes.
Check-in staff was very nice.
Yeah. We need to get a shot of the lobby.
Negative to say.
No, I know.
But we will come back and let you know how the beds are.
They look very comfy.
Yeah, they do. I
They
don't
do.
think they'll be as comfy as the cruise beds.
Probably not, but
you know.
still.
And I like the shutters.
Mm-hmm.
This is cute. Oh, all you do is pull them down. Pull them down. Pull them down.
And there you go.
Okay, so that's our tour of our room at the Candy Cane Inn. And I
Hold
think
on,
this is
let's
just
see.
a standard room.
Yeah, it is. It's a stand room.
I know if you have a standard premier room that you get like breakfast delivered to your room and you get like a little snack basket.
All right, so there's an outlet over here on this side.
I have lots of devices to plug in.
Yep. There's a Bible in the drawer.
Okay.
Ooh, a little loud. But this is an extra little storage area right there that comes out from under the nightstand. And let's see if there's an outlet on this side.
I'm gonna
There's
say
an outlet on the
probably
desk.
Not.
Nothing on that side.
Nothing. And there wasn't anything on this side. Nope.
Nothing that's it. So we have 2 outlets right over here. All right. Well, you know how it is when you got to charge your stuff at night.
Yeah.
Just figured I'd see what's what, what's where. Yeah, overall, not bad. Not bad at all.
So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of the next Jen and Joe on the go action because we are in Disneyland.
Yes, we are. We are so happy to be here.
So happy.
Yeah, so far we kind of cheated a little bit. As soon as we got to the hotel, we hightailed it to downtown Disney so we can get dinner, which was really lovely. So stay tuned for those videos. The hotel itself, it's very nice so far.
But now we need to go to bed because we have to be up early so we can
Yes.
get a full day of Disneyland under our
Yes.
belts.
So, all right. Thanks for watching as always.
Bye.
Bye. Coming soon on Jen and Joe on the go. Good morning, Jennifer.
Good morning, Joe.
We've got our coffee in hand.
We do.
And where are we going, Jen?
We are going to Disneyland. Officially, it's our first park day.
I want to also say that the Candy Cane Inn is really nice. The breakfast spread this morning, really nice. We got our coffee from the inn, and yeah, really good. You like it?
The room was quiet.
Yeah.
The beds were very comfortable. The room was very clean,
Yes.
and it's a 5-minute walk.
Yeah. It's great. Highly recommended.
Yeah.